Looking for a cleaning solution that's fast, effective and scratch-free? Meet the Softspun Microfiber Cloth. It is an ultimate multi-purpose cleaning tool. Why choose Softspun? Because it is super adsorbent and lint-free, scratch-free, durable and reusable. This versatile cloth is designed for wiping down your car, dusting your electronics or shining your kitchen. Softspun makes cleaning a breeze. Available in various sizes: 16*16 inches, 40*60 inches and more. Made of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide, these cloths deliver premium cleaning with a soft and gentle touch. To keep your cloth in top shape, wash before first use. Don't mix with other fabrics. No ironing or harsh chemicals. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Click the link in the description to get your pack of Softspun microfiber cloths today. Clean smarter, not harder.